In the harsh world of insects, every encounter can mean the difference between life and death. Today, we see an intense showdown between mantis and spider, two deadly predators with completely different strategies. The mantis, armed with razor-sharp forelegs, is an ambush hunter. It can stay perfectly still for minutes, even hours, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. When it does, the attack is so fast that it's almost impossible to see with the naked eye. On the other hand, the spider, a master tactician. Some species spin beauty and knitter webs to attract their prey, while others actively always sue in precision. And let's not forget, many spiders carry venom strong enough to immobilize their prey in seconds. The encounter begins as the mantis unknowingly moves into the spider's territory. The delicate strings of suit vibrate slightly, a clear signal if something has entered the web. Instantly, the spider becomes alert, moving carefully, ready to strike. The mantis doesn't duck down. It turns its head and lunges into the target with its large full eyes. Her brief move, everything seems to freeze, and then Zulu, the spider lunges forward. The termites reacts with incredible speed. With a swift, precise motion, it drives the spider with air. This is the mantis's greatest advantage, its lightning-fast reflexes on powerful fragments. However, a bite isn't over yet. If the spider-mantis divine and Jackass him, the autumn achieves instantly. Everything happens in a split second, gripping, struggling, landing. The result of this battle comes on a single moment, who strikes first and who strikes more accurately. In the wild, there's no room for mistakes. This is the brutal loss or battle, a faster, stronger, and more precise better ones. And encounters like this reveal just how fascinating and unforgiving the natural world truly is.